Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Sam from Art of Trading here, and today we'll be looking at Utme. Now this is a new stock which I've just recently found out. It's something that one of my subs within my live stream actually told me about, and if you haven't already, do check out my live streams. I will promote it a bit more, but that was the first time I've ever done a live stream, so I thought I'd keep it a bit on the QT. But this stock right here is something that I really always talk about because I did a quick analysis through my live stream. However, this is one which I wanted to make a proper video about because look what we have seen today. We have seen this disgusting run up. Like we just saw it. I think it started trading at the $4 mark. This is when it first launched within the stock market, right? And we see this big spike. We saw this W forming, right? And then we sort of see it go up, and then the pre-market it sort of stayed fairly level, and then as soon as it went out, we saw a lot of volume come into this stock, this UTME stock. And what we have seen today is we have seen a double top graph, which, as you all know, when you see a double top, what normally happens is it does normally fall down, and that's exactly what we have seen here. Now if we go to the exponential moving average, right, and this is the best one to look at for a short amount of time, right? So you can sort of see that it's been on the top end of the exponential moving average. So what that means is it's currently right now in, well, actually at the end of it, you sort of see we're down the bottom. So and what we could see tomorrow is we could see the stock rise even more and potentially hitting maybe $120. Again, all my opinion, my stock analysis. So, you know, do your own due diligence before actually entering into this stock. But this is all my take on this. And also, if we look at the BOLL, which is sort of like the volume coming into the stock, it tells you if a stock's overbought or oversold. We can sort of see that right now we are seeing probably the stock's being a bit oversold at the moment, or no, overbought. Sorry, it's being overbought at the moment. So this is good though for the price, because that's what happens in a bullish formation. Now, we did see a sell-off at this $107 mark, and I think a lot of people clocked on that what would happen is we'd see this double point, and that's exactly what we saw. And then we saw it go back down again. So, you know, we did see a sell-off at the very end of the market, but then we did see a lot of volume sort of mid here, which sort of influenced the price as it will. So that is what I would say about the price action of this stock. And let me just quickly give you a quick rundown of what's actually happened today. And this is through Moomoo. Anyone can have access to this. So shares of mobile device manufacturing company Utme Ltd were trading higher in the after hours market following an 875% rise in the regular session Tuesday. The stock's first day of trading on the NASDAQ, so Tuesday, so this was yesterday, was their first day of ever trading on the NASDAQ. Now, I'm recording this it is almost 11 o'clock in the evening. So, you know, I'm on my grind. I'm trying to get these videos out for you. I do apologize that I haven't actually uploaded recently, but, you know, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. I just haven't really had time. But, you know, we're back now, and that is all that matters. So at 5:16 p.m., the company's shares were trading 12.18% higher at $43.75. The volume at the time topped 170,000 shares, which for a new company is a lot. Like, you don't normally see that amount of volume for a company unless it's had a bit of hype generated around it, right? So the stock finished the day's regular trading session with an 875% gain, closing at $39 per share, which is honestly insane. Like, that is ridiculous. Earlier Tuesday, Utme said it was pricing its 3.75 million share initial public offering at $4 per share. So you see how much more it has managed to increase. They were going to offer 3.75 million initial public shares at $4, and you sort of see this massive disgusting run up, because what we've seen is we've seen hype built around the stock. We've seen a lot of volume come into the stock, which volume increases the demand. It shows there is demand for this stock, and consequently the price goes up, and that is exactly what we are seeing here. Now it's going to be very interesting to see whether the books of this company back up what this stock is worth, and whether we're going to see some negative action tomorrow, and we could see some disgusting price action on this stock if that volume stays in. And, you know, the volume ratio, as you see here, sort of signifies what we saw with this massive run up here. Very interestingly, I'm not sure how this particularly happened when it went back up to 105, because we didn't see a huge amount of volume. We did see it, like, we did see it sort of hit the overselling point, because you saw it hit the upper band of this BOLL. But, you know, that's sort of what we have seen so far. And, you know, that's where I think it's going to go in the future. It's either going to go... I think it's all going to depend, right, on the amount of volume we see tomorrow. But this could be a very good stock to watch out for, because if they do well with this new, I think it was a mobile or technology manufacturing company, something like that, like there is potential for this company. It's one to definitely keep an eye on. And I wanted to make this video because of that. Okay, so right now, this stock is heavily overbought. That is exactly what Moomoo's saying. I just checked, and they are saying that this stock has been heavily bought, which I did signify at the start. There was a massive amount of volume, and we have seen a lot of volume into this stock. So it's clearly overbought, especially considering it was trading at $4. So there has been a lot of hype generated around the stock, and Moo just sort of backed up my initial statement, right? And also as well, we're currently in a bearish trend, according to Moo, because the stock's so overbought and the price is inflated so much that we are likely to see the price drop. However, if the price drops significantly, then this could potentially be a buy, because there is hype around the stock and the price of this company will signify where it's going to go in the future. So that being said, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe if you need. Be sure to check out the Telegram, which is going to be down below, the Discord, the Twitter, check it all out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Take care.